Assalamualaikum students. Welcome to the online platform of NIEVS Homeschool. Today I am going to take a class of class 6 English first paper. This is Rowshan Khandaker, English teacher, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Okay students, let's go to the today's topic. Term annual. And this is a class of class 6. Subject is English first paper. Topic is lesson 23 discussion. Lecture number 8. Homework 5. Teacher's name. This is my name and this is my phone number. And this is today's date. So without any further ado, let's move on to our today's topic. So today's topic is Lesson 23, Wonders of the World 2. Okay, so the headings of this lesson is mobile phone. Mobile phone is another useful invention of the world. Like computers, mobile phone help us greatly in our daily life. Through mobile, we can connect the whole world. Only a few years ago, we had difficulty to contact our near and dear ones. That was very costly too. Mobile phones are very handy and we can use them for communication with people at a very low cost. Okay, and mobile phones have different functions such as making calls, listening to music, taking photographs, storing information, etc. Even it can be used for distance learning. Okay, so you have learned this topic. Now there are some words given here and this is synonym of this word. Okay, like help. What is the meaning of help? Help is you are assisting someone or you are helping someone out. Okay, so what is the synonym of the help? Help. The synonym of the help is assist, aid and support. Okay, and what is the synonym of connect? The synonym of connect is join or engage. Okay, what is that? Join and engage. Whole. What is the synonym of whole? Whole is full, like full and entire, complete. These are the synonym of whole. Okay, and difficulty. Drawback. Difficulty is synonym of drawback, trouble, inconvenience. Okay, what is it? Drawback, trouble, inconvenience. These are synonym of difficulty. Okay, costly. The next word is costly. What is costly? Costly is expensive and pricey. What is it? Expensive and pricey. Handy. What is the synonym of handy? Handy is kind of convenient, serviceable and advantageous. Okay, and the next word is different. What is it? Different. And the synonym of different is various, several, diverse, varied, variant. Okay, these are the synonym of different. Function. The next word is function. What is the synonym of function? Act, action, process. What is it? Act, action and process. The next word is store. The synonym of store is stocks, conservatory. What is it? Stocks or conservatory. The next word is distance. What is distance? Aloofness. Okay, so these are the words and these are the synonyms of these words. Okay, you have to memorize or you have to learn these words. Okay, for this chapter. Now let's move on to our topic. Question number 1. Okay, choose these are MCQ questions and you have to choose. You know that you have to choose one answer for each question from these 4 options. Okay, and the question is number 1. Mobile phone is another useful invention of the world. Here the word mobile is similar to? So here pause করেছেন? Okay. Here the mobile phone is another useful invention of the world. Here the word mobile is similar to what? Cell, portable, useful or small. Okay, mobile is similar to portable. What is mobile? The thing which if you carry a thing easily, you can move it, that is called mobile. So the the answer is portable. Okay, and the second question is, like computers, mobile phones help us greatly in our daily life. Here greatly means what? What is the meaning of greatly? Slightly, marginally, significantly or faintly. Okay, so slightly is a small thing, so that's not our option, and marginally also is not our answer. Our answer is significantly. Okay, so greatly means significantly. Our next question is, through mobile phone, we can connect the whole world. Okay, which of the following word is not a synonym of the word connect? Okay, which is not? You have to read the question very carefully. Okay, so the question is, which word is not synonym of the word connect? Okay, so the options are isolate, join, link and tie. Okay, what is the options? Isolate, join, link and tie. Okay, so the isolate is our answer. Okay, and join, link and tie are the synonym of connect. Okay, it's not antonyms. Okay, so then our next question is, only a few years ago we had difficulty to contact our near and dear ones. The word contact means what? Okay, so you know that contact means communicate. Okay, you are contacting someone, that means you are communicating someone. So our from these options, contact, communicate, conduct and contrast, our answer is communicate. Okay, and the next question is, mobile phones are very handy and we can use them communication with people at a very low cost. What does handy means? Okay, what is handy? You know, we know that handy means convenient or serviceable or advantageous. Okay, so here from these options, handle, credible, useful and work, handy means useful. Okay, and what was our next question is, that was very costly too. Okay, which of the following word has opposite meaning to costly? Okay, so what is the opposite of costly? The opposite of costly is cheap. We know that costly means expensive and pricey, but the antonyms or the opposite meaning is cheap. Okay, and next let's move on. Next question, mobile phone is another useful invention of the world. Okay, here the word invention is similar to what? Okay, the word invention is similar to what? Knowledge, idea, theory or innovation. Okay, so knowledge, idea and theory are the same thing, so our answer is innovation. Okay, so the word innovation is similar to invention. Okay, and through mobile phones we can connect the whole world. Okay, which of the following word is not a synonym of the word whole? Okay, this is a very tricky question. You have to read the question very carefully. It is asking you that which word is not synonym of the word whole. Okay, that means they are asking for antonyms. Okay, so whole means entire, complete and total or full. Okay, so from these options, entire, partial, complete or total, our answer is partial. Okay, so this is antonyms or opposite of the word whole. Our next question is, Only a few years ago, we had difficulty to contact our near and dear ones. The term difficulty means what? Okay, the term difficulty means hardship. What is that? Hardship. It cannot be ease or comfort or relief. Okay, these are synonyms. But difficulty, what is the meaning of the word difficulty? Hardship. Okay, and mobile phones have different functions such as making calls, listening to music, taking photographs, storing information, etc. Okay, which of the following word has opposite meaning to function? What is the opposite meaning of function? That means they are asking for antonyms, not synonyms or meaning. Okay, so from these options, utility, role, task, our answer is breakdown. What is that? Breakdown. Breakdown is antonyms of or opposite meaning of function. Okay, now let's move on to our next questions, which are answered the following question. These are question answer. Okay, from this part, what is the first question here? What can we do through mobiles? Okay, what can we do through mobiles? The answer is we can connect the whole world through mobiles. Okay, we can connect the whole world through mobile. The question B is, what does we have a few years ago? Okay, the answer is a few years ago we had difficulty to contact our near and dear ones. Okay, what is that? Few years ago we had difficulty to contact our near and dear ones. Our next question is question number C, which is why are mobile phones handy? Why are mobile phones handy? The answer is mobile phones are handy because we can use them for communication with people at a very low cost. Okay, and our next question is, what different functions do mobile phones have? So what are the functions of mobile phone? Okay, and what are these? The answer is mobile phones have different functions such as making calls, listening to music, taking photographs, storing information, etc. Okay, our last question is question number E, which is what can be used for distant learning? What is it? What can be used for distant learning? Okay, we know that, and the answer is mobile phones can be used for distant learning. Okay, that is all about lesson 23, Wonders of the World 2. Okay, so let's know about our homework. Okay, what is the homework of today? Is homework number 5 and lesson 23, exercise A and A1 and A2. What is it? Exercise A and A1 and A2. Okay, you have to submit it on Saturday. Okay, so students, that is all for today, and study well at home and take care. Thank you.